Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I have been missing in action, but today we are going to be making a simple green juice. Alright, this homemade green juice is the ultimate detox for your body. It's refreshing as can be and a healthy way to enjoy all the nutrients from simple fruits and vegetables. Plus, it is easy to make at home, which means that you no longer need to buy expensive juices at the deli. So what I have here is some baby spinach. I did peel a lemon, some green apples, some celery, some ginger, and some pineapple for flavor. Yes, indeed, I washed them, I dried them, and I cut them up, and I just averaged the amount that I want to use. Then I put them into my blender and I'm going to blend them until they become smooth. All right, now I did use coconut water instead of distilled water. You can use any liquid that you want into yours. You can also add any green vegetables or fruits that you want into yours. I just use what I think I needed to use. All right. And if you want to also use any sweetening to yours, you can go right ahead. I didn't put any sweetener. The pineapple brought back that sweetness for me. And because the flu is going around, I decided, well, hey, why not? Make some green juice. At this stage, you can also put some turmeric in it. I did not. I just use it as it is. And once I blend my juice, I use it without straining. Means that I need the fiber in my body. But you can go right ahead and you can strain yours if you want, if you do not like the fiber, all those little stuff from the fruits and vegetable. Like this, once you strain it, is what it's going to look like. And yes, it's an easy, simple, and delicious green juice. It takes less than 10 minutes to make. It is so easy, guys, less expensive, and you can bottle it and keep it into your refrigerator, and that's it. So give it a try, guys. Green juice on the go. Enjoy.